Let's explore the AirGap wallet. Download links are below. AirGap is a security-focused, non-custodial wallet emphasizing offline storage for maximum crypto protection. Perfect for security-conscious users wanting a safe, easy-cold wallet. It uses two devices, your phone for transactions and another AirGap device for private key storage, creating a high-security environment. The key feature is the AirGap Vault and AirGap Wallet. The Vault, on an offline device, generates and secures private keys. The Wallet app manages transactions and your portfolio without exposing sensitive data. This offline-first approach keeps private keys off the internet, minimizing hacking risks. My experience? Intuitive setup, clear linking instructions. AirGap supports various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tezos, and more, making it versatile for multi-asset portfolios. It also integrates with popular dApps and DeFi platforms. The interface is clean, transactions are simple, even for offline wallet newcomers. Backup and recovery are straightforward, using a recovery phrase. AirGap also supports multi-signature transactions for enhanced security or shared access. You can even create paper wallets for added protection. AirGap is best for users prioritizing security over convenience, specifically those wanting a usable cold wallet. It's great for long-term holders, traders, or anyone managing a large crypto portfolio. AirGap delivers robust security without complexity, making it a top cold wallet choice. For more details and downloads, check the links below.